Good morning, good people. How you doing? Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Haven't went live in a while, and I just wanted to try some things out. Was hooking some things up to see if it's working. But while you're here, we might as well go over some news, right? Good morning, good people. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and let me know if you could hear me, please. Had to re-hook everything up. I took everything down. All right, let's just go right into it, and then I'll just come in and see if you guys are in, all right? So in the morning markets, we are having a cool off, good people. We are having a cool off. Good morning, good morning. So we're having a cool off this morning. Let's look right into it. As we can see, the NASDAQ is selling off with just 4 minutes until opening bell. So the NASDAQ is cooling off, as we can see, down 125 points, and it's actually heading south, right? So it's not moving up right now. For those of you that are looking to do call options right at opening bell, be careful. We can see the S&P is down 28 points. The Dow is down 150 points. We can see our baby Nvidia is actually down. So we're having a morning cool off. Good morning, good people. I see you. I see you. Good morning. So I'm going to make this one short. I'm just testing things out. But while I have you guys, we might as well keep going. All right. So we got the crypto bubbles for the month is good, but for the day is red. It is actually selling off with the market. Just a cool off, good people. But just remember, I think that this is a time to be buying. I personally think this is a time to be buying. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm looking for opportunity to buy in stocks and crypto during this period. Yes, I have all the positions that I want to in crypto, but I'm still adding a little more, right? Especially if there's a flash crash, I'm going to add more. I believe that after the election, things are going to be up. Let me play this for you, good people, while we have a few minutes. This is Paul Tudor Jones. He is a multi-billionaire, and he is an investor. And I want you guys to hear what he said about stocks and crypto, okay? Now, he is a billionaire, expert trader, and I want you guys to hear what he has to say. If I can get this to work, I film this on my phone, so please be patient. Listen.
Is this, given all of the things you're saying, are you off buying gold and Bitcoin and
I think all roads lead to inflation. We're going to end up, if you, so.
But does all roads lead to inflation, therefore gold is a good investment? Is Bitcoin a good investment to you?
I'm long gold, I'm long Bitcoin. I think commodities are so ridiculously underowned, so I'm long commodities. I think most young people find their inflation hedges via the NASDAQ. That's also been great. It's probably some combination. I probably have some basket of gold, Bitcoin, commodities, and NASDAQ, something like that, and I would own zero fixed income.
So you heard, that's Paul Tudor Jones. He's long gold, all right? And he's long digital gold, which is cryptocurrency, all right? So I agree with him. There's another one that I'm going to play later today in today's video. So, you know, if you think that it's funny money, this crypto thing, you got billionaires that are buying Bitcoin, which leads to altcoins, which leads to meme coins. I'm just going to continue to say that. I don't care if you have $100 disposable cash. I would just buy a little, just with $100, just buy a little and then see what happens from now until next year. You can always sell. You can always set a stop loss. Okay, so we're at 8:30. Let's see what's going on live here.
We're heading closer to that opening bell on Wall Street, and you're watching Morning Brief brought to you by Invesco. I want to do a quick check of the...
They late. The bell has rang and we are open, right? They late. All right, so let me just cut that off because they lagging. All right, good people. I just wanted to let you know what's happening. Let's see what's happening with the indices. Wow, look at that. Look at what happens really quick. So the NASDAQ is climbing at the time, right? So let's do QQQ. Okay. And let's try to do the SPY. Okay. All right. So now, as we could see, there's nothing really happening yet. They're both selling off. And for those of you that are playing the SPY or QQQ, or you're doing the options, we're in negative territory so far. But I believe sometime today that we could be green. I believe that sometime today we could be green, even with, as you can see, the NASDAQ down 112. And so you could say that this is the Qs and you could say that this is the SPY. We're down. I believe we could, have a little fight back. Now, let's talk about the VIX. All right, good people. Let's talk about the VIX. I'm going to talk about that a little later. I'm going to enter into a VIX position. And what I mean by that is I expect the VIX to spike up because the election is running close. For those of you that know how to do options, you could start to get into a VIX position. I'm not telling you to, I'm telling you I am. And the closer that it gets, because it has both of the candidates running in a dead heat, the market does not like indecision. And because they are in a dead heat, according to the polls, which we know are not accurate, then the VIX will start to spike. Okay, there you go. All right, so I want you to do your own homework and find out how to trade the VIX. Okay, you can get into the VIXM. That's one of them. There's a bunch of them that you could get to play the VIX. I am into a small position, and we're going to see how that goes from there. I'm also going to get into a DJT position, right? I'm going to get into a November 1st DJT position. I'm getting into some call options on DJT to 32.5. Okay, that's what I'm doing. You do what you do. I guess I'm gonna just leave it right there, good people. I don't want to bore you with a lot of stuff. Listen, I do have to tell you, Stock Up You is where you're gonna learn and earn. Okay, learn and earn, not just from me, but for crypto also, and learn from all of us. And you know what, good people? I'm gonna hang with y'all for a few minutes. I'm gonna answer a few questions, but I got to get this in the way. I got to pay some bills. Listen. 8.1% on Moo. This is still Moo. 8.1 on your uninvested money, but you get up to 20 free stocks. With $100, you get 8. And with $1,000 deposit, you get 12. And if you do 1,000, you get both, which is 20 free stock. And then you have the zero commissions, the 6.8 margin rate, a zero equity options trading fee. All right. That is important. When you're doing options, you want to make sure that you're not giving up a lot of money in fees with Moo. As you could see, there is a zero equity options contract fees. And that's what I like about Moo. All right, Moo. It's going to be the second link below. Again, 8.1% on your uninvested money. All right, so somebody said DGT. It is crap. Yep. I'm going to play it a little bit up and then I'm going to ride it down. All right. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play a little up and ride it down. That's what I'm going to do. You know what? You have to, regardless of your politics, you have to know when to get out, know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, know when to run. Right. Hey, good morning, good people. Good morning. Someone is asking, SUI or Solana. I say both. I say both. Don't do the ors. Both SUI and Solana will. I have those are two of my biggest positions, and they are both doing well. The reason why I suggest them both, because there's times when Solana is killing it and there's times when Sui is killing it. And so instead of picking one or the other, I would go half and half on the two. Right now, I'm a little more bullish on Sui, but Solana has already run, but Solana will run again. So instead of picking one, why not ride with them both? I have strong positions in them both. Let me say that. Sui and Solana, strong in them both. Healthcare stocks. Man, I had healthcare stocks, and there are seasons where I made money, and the ones that I have now, not so much right now, but they are going to be, healthcare stocks will do good if the economy goes down. So the ones that you're in, be prepared to be in them long term. All right. Yeah, good to see you too, fam. How you doing? How you doing, family? Hey, Tesla or... Here we go with the ors. Tesla is long for me. All right. I'm just going to say Tesla long. It's all about XRP. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. Pull up a chart with XRP. Pull up a chart with XRP for the year, and then pull up a chart with Sui. You'll see it ain't. Pull up a chart with XRP. Pull up a chart with Solana. You'll see it is spanking XRP. Pull up a chart with Doge, Bonk, SHIB, and then pull up XRP. You'll see XRP is the lagger of them all. So get off that. It's all about XRP. No, it ain't. Y'all know I'm gonna spit the truth. XRP is a slow mover. Okay. Now, if you got it, hold it. I have some XRP. I'm not saying it's crap, but I'm saying for the most part, it's been dead money. All right, let's get back to it. Okay, it's all about BlackRock Inc. Yes. People, do some due diligence. Learn and study. That's right, these companies. And he is absolutely right. I appreciate that. And if you don't know how, then there you go. Stock Up You. It will be the top link below. Okay, so I will tell you, you are right. All right, let's go back. I want to go back to some of the first questions because it's unfair to the people. All right. Hey, here you go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Loud and clear. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Yes. Good morning. Hear you loud and clear. What you think? Morning. Hey, sounds good. I appreciate you guys. Good morning. All right. Mississippi. We got Mississippi in the house. I love Mississippi. I got folk in Canton. I got folks in Jackson. I got folks all down throughout what's the college town down there by the Gulf? I got people all throughout Crooked Letter, Humpback, Mississippi. I love Mississippians, man. That Southern hospitality is nothing like it anywhere. Yep. Hey, good morning. All right, Cincinnati in the house. Good morning. Good morning, Angel. Good morning. All right. Hey, how you doing? Haley, how you doing, beautiful? Hey, Izzy, how you doing, gorgeous? What's up, my man? From Orlando. All right. Let's see. All the best. Denmark. Hey, Denmark is in the house. I got to get to Denmark. I have a question. Vanguard buy and hold. How does... In Vanguard... I'm not sure if Vanguard does. If anybody knows, I'm not sure if Vanguard does Bitcoin. Okay. But you could do the Grayscale Bitcoin. So just Google Grayscale Bitcoin in your Vanguard. Yes, you can. Yes. All right. Pepe is a meme winner. It is for sure. Uncle. Oh, I answered this one. Ando or Sui. Oh, Sui over Ando for me. Okay, let's get one more in. When you're getting in Mara, I got to look at it, good people. That's a good question. A lot of people's been asking about the Bitcoin miners. And I will tell you this about the miners. And I learned this in 2020. Remember, guys, I brought most of you guys that are listening. I'm the one that brought these miners to you. If you're new to this page, I had the CEO of 3 major miner companies, Bitcoin miner companies, on this show. Now, there's a time to get in them and there's a time that I'm chilling. So people says, well, whoa, you're missing it. You're missing it. No, I'm not missing it. I made enough off of Bitcoin, off of 2 Bitcoin miners to buy a full Bitcoin. And that's exactly what I did. So I have a full Bitcoin. I did the stock, just regular stock, and I did options. I did call options. I did pull options. I called and put options, and I made enough to buy a full Bitcoin, good people. So, and I have that Bitcoin, and I'm not selling that Bitcoin. Why? It was free money. Okay. So, I'm telling you, there's times where I learned that in 2021, 2020 into 2021, the stock market was on a boom, was on a bull market. I wrote it up, as you guys that's been with me for a while, you saw me, right? But then when the bull market was cooling off, I just simply rolled over into crypto and made life-changing money in crypto. And so that's what I'm doing now. The miners, there are some miners like CleanSpark is doing well, doing extremely well for the month, but I'm making more money in some of my crypto positions. And I'm just being honest with you. So you can only focus on so much at a time. All right. So don't have tunnel vision. All right. Look at that. NASDAQ is coming back now, down only 80 points, and the S&P only 29 points. All right. So CLSK. So CleanSpark. Let's look at CleanSpark. Okay. If we look for the month, CleanSpark is up 33%. It's killing it. Now, if you've been doing options on CleanSpark, you have been absolutely killing it. Look at Mara, all right, for the month. Let's see here. Ooh, look at Cypher. Yeah, Cypher for the month is up 75%. So Cypher has been the winner of the ones that I'm looking at right now. Look at that, good people. We got Irish Energy. We got BitDeer. But, you know, you guys know MicroStrategy is my baby. MicroStrategy has a leverage one. I think it's MSTX. And I've been doing options on that and making a lot of money. So far, Cypher is the winner if you look at these. Now, these are doing well right now. Okay. Or now remember, this is the last month. Over the last 6 months, you will see that MicroStrategy has been killing them, followed by Cypher. CleanSpark is actually down 35%. But as you can see year to date, there's a time to buy and there's a time to sell. So for over the last year to date, if you've simply been trading these, you can clearly see that MicroStrategy was the baby. All right. So, hey, good people, I'm going to leave it right there. I love you guys. Miss Text, how to invest in Bitcoin outside of Vanguard. Huh? Miss Text, how to invest in Bitcoin outside. Just get you a Coinbase account. Coinbase, one word, Coinbase. Get you a Coinbase account. I could see that you're probably not 19, all right? And I'm gonna be, and so rather than trying to search all of this stuff, don't let people tell you, oh, don't do it because of fees. That's a bunch of crap. You want to be safe. There is a price to being safe. Okay, I have a Coinbase account, and the truth be told, it's one of my biggest accounts. I don't care what nobody else say. I'm doing me. I'm not putting my money in stuff in anything that's going to be unsafe. So try Coinbase. I want you to YouTube Coinbase, how to open up a Coinbase account. It's really easy. And then I want you to look at Coinbase and open it up, and you can start buying Bitcoin. And I think that's a good move for you. Now, here's another thing. Here's what you want to do. You also want to download Stock Up You. Remember what I say, invest, learn, test, earn. Invest, learn, test, earn. When you go there and you download the class, I want you to go straight to the crypto chapter. This is going to fast track you and save you money and make you money. Okay? That's going to be the top link below. the second I get off of here in a second. Okay, I'm going to leave it right there, good people, because I'm going to see you later. This one will go on and on and on. I'm going to get on here more this week and spend some time with you guys in the morning markets. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.